Past global changes, or PAGES, provide support for the gathering and synthesis of observations, reconstructions, and the modeling of climate, ecosystem, environmental, and societal dynamics of the past. This is a brief overview of some highlights of the recent activities of its more than 5,000 members, who are spread across more than 120 countries. The scientific vision for PAGES is set by its International Scientific Steering Committee and implemented primarily through community-devised working groups. Working group members and researchers from the broader community also collaborate within the framework of PAGES integrative activities. PAGES organizes an open science meeting, or OSM, and a young scientists meeting, YSM, approximately every 4 years, designed to encourage interaction between scientists from all career levels, disciplines, and regions. The next OSM and YSM, originally planned for Agadir, Morocco, will be held online in May 2022. The session Societal Risk Arising from Global Change, Past, Present, Future, is being co-organized by Future Earth's RiskCan. PAGES working groups bring paleoscientists together from around the globe to target specific aspects of PAGES' scientific agenda. They tackle broad questions that cannot be answered by a single research team, but require the integration of the wider international science community. In a recent publication, members of the Land Cover 6K working group used models of human-environment interactions to explore ancient farming practices. The innovative solutions to past problems may provide lessons for the future. Cross-topical integrative activities provide a format dedicated to facilitating scientific exchange, synthesis, and outreach. The output of these integrative activities provides information for impact assessments and management strategies on mitigation and adaptation. Members of the integrative activity on thresholds, tipping points, and multiple equilibria in the Earth system collaborated with the Future Earth Global Research Project AIMS to investigate abrupt changes over the last 30,000 years and their impacts. The PAGES Early Career Network, or ECN, which is led by and designed for early career researchers, or ECRs, aims to facilitate the exchange of ideas and skill sets in order to give ECRs the tools they need to excel in their fields. The ECN Steering Committee and regional representatives coordinate a Write Club, webinars, and workshops, among many other activities. The second joint PAGES Inqua ECR workshop, Past Socio-Environmental Systems, or PASES 2022, will be held in La Serena, Chile in November 2022. PAGES publishes 2 fully open access journals, Past Global Changes Magazine and Past Global Changes Horizons. Past Global Changes Magazine articles are written for a broad scientific audience. 2 issues are published each year containing 10 to 20 scientific highlights on a specific topic. Past Global Changes Horizons is designed for teenagers and young adults who are interested in learning more about paleoscience, past global changes, and science in general. Thank you very much. We look forward to working with other global research networks as part of Future Earth.